Hello everyone, this video is for telling how to do video recording through a video recording software or streaming software. Basically, one app I'm going to recommend that is called OBS Studio. You have to do nothing, just download and install this software. I will put this link of this software in the description. You can click and download. After installing, your interface will look something like this, except these two buttons in the sources. Basically, if whenever you are trying to record, two things are required. One is video and second is audio. So for that, you have to click here this plus button. You can see where my mouse is. The moment you click display capture, this dialog box will open. Click OK. Then in capture method, let it be automatic, and the display you can select as your primary monitor. That means the moment you click primary monitor and click OK, whatever you are seeing in the screen, or you are scrolling to, that will be captured in the video. That is one thing. Second thing is that audio input capture. Audio input capture, again you do have to plus this button. You have to click plus button, then audio input capture, you click OK, and after that use the device default, then after that OK, then that also is capturing. Since I am currently recording a video itself, these two features were already on for me. So for you, when you are checking out new, these two buttons you have to click, and that is the only part that you are needing. After that, here one start recording button will come. So for starting the recording, you just have to press this button start, and after that your video will be getting recorded. So after that you can club it or you can trim it, whatever you wish, and the moment you click stop recording button, your recording will get stopped. That is the easiest software I will recommend. So using that, you are going to stream or record any video that you want. That's it. So this is the simple step only. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. So hope you see in the next video.